Good morning, hello James. This is Calvin from River City Hyundai, and I'm just helping Tristan out this morning. I know he's the salesperson yesterday that sent you a video on the Palisade. I know you had just a few questions, so I just wanted to answer those questions for you. So first of all, I'll open up the trunk for you. And of course, as you know, it is a power lift gate. So you press the button and then the trunk opens up automatically right there for you. Now you wanted to know specifically how you fold the seats down. So now these here are all of the controls for the seat. This here is for your second row and this is for your third row. So now the way it works is this button here that's going to be to the left. When you press that button, the left side on the third row folds down like that. I hope you can see that and that's clear for you. And then the opposite side, when you press the second button, the right side folds down for you also. And then the button that says second row, if you press those ones, then the second row seating folds down like that, as you can see. So that hopefully, like I said, that answers your question on how to fold the seats down. These are all of your controls right here at the very back left panel of the Palisade. And last but not least, your last question, you wanted to know specifically if you wanted to if you need to do oil changes and regular maintenance. It doesn't need to be at a dealership to keep the warranty. All you need to do is follow the recommended and required maintenance schedule that the vehicle is going to come with, and you should be fine. You don't have to do it at our dealership to keep the warranty. So again, I hope that answers all of your questions. Those are the buttons and control right there. If you have any further questions, feel free to message or give us a call at 780-371-3700. Thank you. Have a great day.